Look at this 2010 Ford F-150 Lariat. This F-150 Lariat has just under 82,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. This F-150 Lariat boasts a 5.4-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Call 678-263-0001 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.